If you are someone who actually don't know how to code and you want to actually make a website for your business, then this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate or create a fully professional functional website, and also how you can actually host it for free. So I'm going to show you everything step by step. So for this, we are going to use Canva here. So I'm going to divide this video into 7 parts. So in the first part, we are going to show you how you can actually create account, and the second part, we are going to show you how you can actually search for the design or how you can choose the design. And then in the third step, we are going to show you how you can edit the content, I mean your website content. And then how in the next step, I'm going to show you how you can actually active navigation bar and all the things. And then in the next step, I'm going to show you how you can actually change the navigation name and all the steps. Then I will show you some animation, how you can actually add animation in your image, text, or whatever, if you want to actually add animation in your website. And the last step will be publish the website. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, we are going to go with the first step, and that is creating Canva account. So let's go to the canva.com. So you have to go to the browser and then go for the Canva. If you search it here, you will find canva.com. So click here. Now you have to log in through your Gmail account. So I'm going to click here login and continue with Google. So I already logged into my account here, you can see. Now what you have to do, we have to actually go for the second step, and that is create a design. So to create a design, you have to actually click here this plus icon, create. So click here create, and here you have to search for website. So I will say here website. Okay, and here you can see this is the website. Okay, then business website we have, then portfolio website, and then we have educational website, then service website. Let's say I want to actually go with website only. So I'll click here website. Then it will actually open in a new tab, and I can actually remove the previous one. So this is my tab, right? So these are the templates. Here you can see currently we are in template section. So from here we can actually select any of the template, which one you actually like most. Now, how to choose the template? So let's say I mean it depends on your business category. Let's say you are a video editor. Let's say you want to sell video editing service. So you can actually say here video production. Okay, production. Here you can see video production. So I'll click here video production, and here you will find all the template. So to use all the template, you have to actually go with the pro version, but yes, it has also some free version you can actually go with. Here you can see this one is also free. Now I will select any of it for the tutorial purpose. Let's say this one. Okay, or maybe we can actually click this one. So let's go with it. So I'm going to actually click here, and here we go. Now you can see we have a nice animation here. If I actually take the animation, here you can see when you actually go for the website, you will find this animation. Now you can change anything here, but we will show you all the process. But let's say you want to add here more page. So you can actually click here add page. Here you can see, if you click here add page, then you will find here, I mean you can add here more page. Let's say you have home page and there are all the pages. Now let's go for the third step, and that is I will show you how you can actually edit the content. So let's say you have added a new page and you want to add content here. So you can actually go for the element here, and then here if you search anything, then you can actually find it. Let's say here you want to add a project section. Let's say, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say here, let's say, or maybe we can actually select template from here. Let's say project section. Okay, or maybe yeah. So I'm going to click here our services. Okay, so this is our services. Here you can see services section. Now you can see that we have two pages here, right? One is okay, so you can actually change the view also like this to this. Okay, so you can see we have two pages, right? So how you can actually switch between these pages? So you need a navigation bar also, right? So how you can actually get navigation bar? So for the navigation, what you have to do, you have to actually go for the preview. Here you can see preview. So click here preview, then you will find here preview. You have here, you can see include navigation menu. So it will be unchecked, then you have to actually check it. So you will find here navigation. Now you can see the first page is page 1, and then second page is page 2, right? So what you have to do, you have to actually change here the name. So close it, and then if you click here in the page, let's say I want to edit this one, or maybe let's say I want to edit this one. So you can see we have page here. So either you can add from here, or maybe you can actually click here in the left bottom corner. Here you can see notes. So click here, and then you can actually give it home, let's say. Okay, So this will be our home. So now you can see we have here a name called home. From here we are going to add, let's say, services. Okay, services. You can see this is the service section. Now I want to go preview once again, and here you can see if I make it full screen, you can see we have here section, let's say services. Okay, so we have here service section also, you can see, and we have here home section. So both server section you have and a little animation here you can see. If you want to add animation here in the text, you can actually add it. So in this step I'm going to show you how you can actually show some animation. I mean how you can actually add animation. Okay, so close it, and here let's say in our service you have to click here. Okay, and then go for the animate. Here you can see animation, and from here you can actually change anything. Okay, change any animation. Now let's say you want to actually add here custom animation. Okay, here you can see we have create animation, so click here create animation, and now here you can see this is the previous. So what you have to do, you have to actually here you can see this is our service animation. Now if I click here done, then if I go for the preview once again, you will find the animation. Let's just go for the service section. Here you can see our service, you have animation here. And now according to your need, you have to actually add all the pages. For the tutorial purpose, I'm not going to actually make this video more longer, so I want to actually stop here. Okay, and now I'll show you how you can actually publish the page. So to publish the page, what you have to do, you have to actually click here share, the button here share. So here we are going to click, and after that we have to select website. Okay, and here you can see this is our website URL. So now you can actually go for the settings and change something if you want. You can give here password protection, navigation menu you can add here, and then resize on mobile. If you want mobile friendly, you have to check it. Okay, then we have all the pages here. You can see you can change the pages name and everything from here also you can see, and you can add here custom path also. Okay, all right, now go for the settings, go back to the settings, and here you can see we have site URL. So we are going to actually click here edit, and if you want to change the site URL, you can actually give here your random username. So here you can see this my.canva.site will be default, and then slash your username. So you can actually give here any random username. Let's say for me, I will say, let's say Yamin77. Okay, so this will be my username. So I'll click here this tick mark, and then I will actually click here publish to publish the site. Here you can see preparing your design. So here you can see your website is now live. You can actually click here view your website, and after that I can see our website is live. Okay, and now if I click here, I can actually share this site to anyone so that they can actually access it. So that's it. I hope you understand. I have shown you all the steps, and if this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.